Okay, I don't have my tripod with me, so this little video will be worse than normal. But these are the hinges. They are molded, and I'm ready to burn out the mold. Because there's plastic in there, and I wasn't really sure how it was going to burn out, I put these little drift legs, put 4 on each one. They're wax, and I'm going to grind the tip off of them, and that will be an opening on the bottom, on the top, to vent, to help that plastic burn out. It's a piece of PVC pipe, you know. On the top I put more vents than I typically would, and that's because we'll be burning out the wood, and I'm leaving plenty of space to vent the fumes and to rinse it and try to get the junk out. So now I'm gonna grind the cups and burn them out. I'm gonna grind these tips off, and I'm gonna grind these cups on these other 3 that are ready to pour, and get the hooks out of them. So here I've grinded the excess ceramic shell off, so the wax is exposed. Those will be to help vent the burning material. And here I'll grind the top so it exposes the cup so I can burn the cup out. The hook is out, and most of the cup is out, but I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of this black out to get the rest of the plastic out. PVC is putting out some nasty smoke. I hope the fire department didn't come get me. Flames coming out the top. From burning out the PVC that's inside the shell mold. Bad news on the hinges, total complete failure. Apparently that PVC kind of boils when it's trying to melt.